Namaste. We heartily welcome you to this session. Hope you all are meditating for a few minutes at home daily and experiencing the joy of vibrations. Let us have a quick summary of what we have learnt in the previous sessions. There is a subtle body inside every human being. There are 3 channels inside the subtle system and 7 chakras inside the subtle system. The left side channel is called Ida Nadi, the right side channel is called Pingla Nadi, and the central channel is called Sushumna Nadi. The left side channel is called as left sympathetic nervous system in medical science. The right side channel is called as right sympathetic nervous system in medical science, and the central channel is called as parasympathetic nervous system in medical science. These energy centers are called as plexus in the medical science. There are 7 energy centers in our subtle system. The first one is Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agnya, and Sahasrara. When we meditate, the Kundalini energy located in the sacrum bone at the bottom of our spinal cord rises up, pierces through the chakras, and reaches fontanel bone area. That is when we feel cool breeze on our palms and on top of our head. Hope you are all enjoying this type of sensations at your home when you are meditating. These energy centers get enlightened when Kundalini energy passes through them and cleanses them. As a result, there we observe certain positive changes in our day-to-day behavior. For example, when Mooladhara chakra gets enlightened, we become wise, humble, and innocent from inside. This we can observe in our day-to-day behavior, in the way we take challenges in life and the way we think to take decisions in our life. Similarly, when Swadhisthana chakra gets enlightened, we become creative and we become expert in any art that we learn. In the same way, when Nabhi chakra gets enlightened, we become peaceful from inside and we will get satisfaction. Today we are going to learn very important organ of our body, that is liver. Liver is the largest organ of our body. It is located in the right upper quadrant of the abdomen beneath the diaphragm. It is protected by the right lower ribs. The functions of liver according to medical science are: liver detoxifies the poisonous substances in our body and it purifies blood. It regulates the supply of body fuel and maintains body temperature. It produces, stores, supplies quick energy, that is glucose, to keep our mind alert and our body active. It regulates the supply of cholesterol, producing it, excreting it, and converting it into other essential substances. It regulates the supply of essential vitamins and minerals such as copper and iron. Liver produces bile, which removes toxic substances from our body and helps in digestion process. It manufactures essential proteins of the body, which are involved in transporting substance of blood, clotting of blood, and resistance to infection. Now let us understand the function of liver according to Sahaja Yoga perspective. The right Swadhisthana chakra and right Nabhi chakra regulates the function of liver. Liver is very important in our subtle system as it helps to keep our focus inside in our meditation, and it helps to achieve sense of balance in our life. Liver is seat of our attention. Too many thoughts and lack of attention will lead to liver problem. Liver get disturbed in a workaholic person. Now let me illustrate an example here. In your class, when the class is going on, you might have seen three categories of students. The first category of students are unable to sit silently and disturb others as well. And the second category students sit silent and understand the concepts very well. The third category students sit silently, but you can easily make out that they are thinking something else other than the topic of the class. Obviously, the first and third category students will not perform well in the academics. We can understand better how to help these students in the academics by meditating and experiencing the functions of liver, how the liver helps to stay calm from inside. This will be taught in the next session. Let us see the position of liver in our body. It is on the right side of abdomen, below the right ribs. We can keep our liver healthy by taking the foods which are good for liver and avoiding the foods which are not good for liver. Let us see the list of foods which are good for liver. Chana removes all toxins from our body. Black grapes, cane sugar, sugarcane juice, gulkan. We can eat lot of sugar, but it should be natural sugar, not chocolate or Cadbury sugar. Diabetes patients should not take sugar, but others can take sugar. Jaggery is good. It should not be chemical one. Raisin or kala manuka, fresh vegetables, fresh fruits. Sabja seeds, we should soak the seeds in water and take it as sharbat. Kokum juice, Kus water is very good for liver. Coriander seeds, mix the powder with water and have it. Radish leaves juice, boil the leaves in water and mix with cane sugar in water and have it. This is very useful for jaundice patients. This is useful for children who are hyperactive. They will become calm if they have it. Amla murabba, moong dal khichdi. Leave 52 tablet. If there is severe problem with liver, we can take 2 tablets in the day and in the night. Ginger plus sugar. This we should have in winter season. Yogurt, lassi, which is fresh, Bengali sweets, rasgulla, bitter gourd. Though it is bitter to eat, it purifies blood and removes heat from liver. White rice, cardamom. Cardamom seeds are good for liver. Now let us have look at the list of foods that are not good for liver. Tea, coffee or chocolates. Taking large quantity of tea, coffee or chocolates is not good for liver. Spicy food, fried peanuts, sabudana, which is chemical one. Stale food, that is leftover food, should not be taken for next day. Large quantity of cake, pastry, ice creams which are unnatural. Heavy foods like cheese or paneer. Pickles. All sauces, all types of flavored sauces are not good for liver. Ajinomoto, which is added in Chinese food, is not good for liver. Bakery products, cold drink, these drinks are aerated drinks and CO2 will be present in these drinks. Mushroom, cream, tuvar dal, this can be taken by mixing kokum. Alcoholic drinks, fast foods, eggs, seafoods, non-veg items are not good for liver because phosphorus is more in these foods, which will give heat to liver. Unhealthy liver leads to so many number of health issues. Too much of heat in the liver damages the body organs as well. If the heat goes down to Muladhara Chakra, it causes constipation and infertility. If it impacts Swadhisthana Chakra, it causes diabetes. If it goes to Nabhi Chakra, it causes number of skin diseases. And similarly, if it goes to lungs, it causes asthma. Too much of heat in the liver causes acidity. Inflammation of liver causes jaundice. When too much of fat accumulates in liver cells, one would get fatty liver. Nowadays, fatty liver has become common disease across the globe. Chronic problems in the liver leads to liver cirrhosis and liver cancer. So, I have mentioned most of the diseases or health issues that we might face if you have not taken enough care of our liver. So, let me share few tips to keep our liver healthy. The best solution is to meditate on Swadhisthana Chakra. And the second one is to keep ice pack on our liver. This will be discussed in our later session. Taking foods that are good for liver and food soaking. This will be taught in our next session. Let us meditate for a few minutes. We will join our hands and pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please help us to meditate. Let us all take bandhan. Look at Shri Mataji. Slowly we will close our eyes. Let us keep right hand on Mother Earth, left hand on our lap. We will pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please cleanse our left channel. Slowly, let us keep our right hand back on our lap and left hand towards sky. We'll pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please cleanse our right channel. Slowly, let us keep our left hand back on our lap. We'll pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please keep us in balance. Let us keep our left hand on our lever. We'll keep our attention on lever. Let us pray to Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, please keep my liver healthy. Let us listen to the music by keeping our eyes closed. us keep our left hand back on our lap. Let us join our hands and thank Shri Mataji for the wonderful meditation today. Let us all take Bandhan. Thank you all for joining with us.